Well, welcome to this lesson. We've talked extensively about the JavaScript getDate method, where we examine different getDate method in JavaScript, such as the getDate, getFullYear, getHours method, getMilliseconds method, getMinute method, getMonth method, getSeconds method, and getTime method. So here in this particular lesson, we are going to be talking about the JavaScript setDate method. So you can see now that one is getDate method and the other is the setDate method. Now, the setDate method lets you set date values such as years, months, days, hours, minutes, second, millisecond for a date object. So setDate method are used for setting a part of a date. So that part of a date that you can set using the setDate method could either be year, month, days, hours, minutes, second, or millisecond, all for a date object. And below under this is some of the method and the corresponding description for available setDate methods that we have in JavaScript. The number one is the setDate method. The description says set the day as a number between 1 to 31. So, like I said in the previous lesson that there are months that have just 30 days, there are some months that have 31 days, and we have just probably 1 month that has 29 days, which is always February in the year. So when you use the setDate method, so it sets the day as a number. So or depending on the day it's for, or depending on the day the number falls in. So it's always going to be between 1 to 31. Then the next method is the setFullYear. So just as the name implies, the setFullYear is used to set the year. The setHours is used to set the hour. The setMillisecond is used to set the milliseconds. The setMinute is used to set the minutes. The setMonth is used to set the month. The setSeconds is used to set the seconds. And the setTime is used to set the time. Milliseconds since January 1, 1970. And you can see right here that the January 1, 1970 as a reference date is coming up again, as you can see right here on my screen. So each of these method we shall be looking into one or into each of them one after the other to see exactly how they help enhance or make better the output of setting a part of a date. Since it allows you to set date values, then you can see that each of these methods corresponds to the part of the values that you may be willing to set in your code. Such as if you are trying to set a date, then you can use the setDate method. If you are trying to set full year, you can use the setFullYear method. If you are trying to set hours, you can use the setHours method. If you are trying to set milliseconds, you can use the setMilliseconds. If you are trying to set minutes, you can use the setMinute method. If you are trying to set month as part of your date values, then you can use the setMonth. If you are trying to set values for seconds, then you can use the setSeconds method. And if you are trying to set time, you can use the setTime method as well. So all these methods play a crucial role in setting date values in JavaScript, and we'll be picking each of these one after the other. I shall be examining them in the future videos, or all the videos that will be following this particular one. So for a quick recap as we proceed, I quickly want to talk about the heading. Do not forget that we've already talked about the getDate method, which means that we have two opposite but how do I put it? We have two opposite but something like, let me say, complementary. Like it allows you to achieve some things when working with date object. We have the get method, which allows you to get values, and then we have the set method, which allow you to set values. So these are the two aspects to the get method in JavaScript. We have the get and then we have the set. And then with the get and the set, so they almost, work with the same things like the years, the Mondays. Let's say everything related to what forms a date in JavaScript. So get as a method for it. And like you can see right here too, the set has a method for each of these values that can form a part of a date and that can be set by a developer or whoever is working with such date object at any point in time. So in the next lesson, we'll start with each of these methods and begin to see examples and how they work and how their output looks like when we try to work with them in our code or in our project. See then, don't forget to go over this and internalize it. Don't forget to practice if possible. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and enjoy.